I'm Valeria.
And I'm Harvard, and on behalf of the Human Rights Coalition, we'd like to invite you to our Community Unity event.
On December 5th from 5 to 7 p.m. in the Weymouth High School Auditorium.
What is Community Unity?
Community Unity is a performance and art showcase where everyone is welcome to express themselves in a variety of ways. We are welcoming short skits, singing, both groups and solo vocalists, musical numbers and/or interludes, speeches, poetry, spoken words, magical illusions, ventriloquism and/or puppeteering, dancing and/or movement, stepping, cheering, and anything that represents you in our community.
Last year, we had performances that included poetry, dancing, singing, playing musical instruments, a multicultural fashion show, and appearances from the WHS Step Team, the Chapman Step Team, and the WHS Dance Team.
Every year we have an interactive art piece which everyone that comes to the event can take part in. Last year we made an interactive flower and everyone drew their own flower.
Sign up to participate and come on stage and represent your community.
Bring your family and friends to this amazing inclusive night as we prove that you can't have unity without community, especially in Wildcat Nation.
December 5th from 5 to 7 p.m.
At the Weymouth High School Auditorium.
We hope to see you there!